Here's a cool way of growing garlic. We're going to first grow it in water at home. Here's what it looks like. Have your garlic on a glass filled with water. Make sure the roots are touching the water by just a bit. Refill the glass every couple of days. When the garlic is grown, take it outside and plant the individual bulbs. Make the hole nice and deep so the roots have enough room. When the stem is dry, it's time to harvest the garlic and enjoy it. Subscribe for more cool gardening tips and tricks.